So getting this back glass out was extremely easy. We just cut the old one out. We have ordered a new, or actually I didn't order a new. This came with it. I want to make sure it sits down in there good. So far everything seems to go fairly well with it. So. I've done a few of these and they are all an absolute pain in the ass. There's no such thing as a easy way to do them. Now, the other thing is, I'm trying to defy gravity here. Which means as I go along, I'm sure what's going to end up happening is this is going to fall out. Worst case scenario, I will get a little tape or whatever and hold it up in there. That's a little concerning. This seems to be a little small. Very concerning, because most of the time these should be a little bit long, and this one wants to pull off. I'm debating on the fact that maybe what I should need to do is get this in front of the heater, make sure it's nice and warm and pliable before I put it on there, and make sure it's stretched out. This cold weather may be an issue with it, because that is, there's quite a bit there. I can put my finger in between this. I don't know that that's going to be doable. This has been on the window too, so I mean, I'm thinking it's, if anything, it should be stretched to it, and it felt like it had plenty of extra. That's what I'll do. All right, so heated this thing up a bit, stretched it maybe. Let's just see if that helps it. Helps with my case any. Alright, so that definitely helped it. I'll get my wire and shove down in there, set my glass in. Still a problem though. I mean, it's still a little bit shy putting it in there. So this thing will definitely be tight going in.
Intersects rubber, cork, and aluminum in the front. We're really asking a lot. You know, I think it's enough to release everything. We'll see that. Now I'm just going to hit kind of each good top and get it up there. Work my way around. Ready? Almost, buddy. Going my fast. Okay. Probably not play this. Alright, so both hands back on. I'm going to catch the steering. Good? Yeah. Awesome. You
On the inside, see if you can push that corner up. Take this and put it inside. You kind of push in that corner. There you go. Yeah. Perfect.
and you
Oh man. All right. There you go.
Give me two on this side.
Not yet. Seems to be going. It's just Just a son of a bitch to do it all. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, see if you can push from the inside. Oh, whoa, you missed. All right. All right, you want off. All right. See, push up a little right here.
On the inside?
Yeah.
Jets out.
Over here.
Metering plates. Make sure they're clean. We're spray this all out. That's the one thing we can't forget.
Oh man.
We didn't do that.
Oh man. Hell.
Alright. It's time to go to the bowl. Ready? We're gonna hose the gum out. Carbon show cleaner. This stuff's gonna eat up any kind of garbage you got in there. The bowls are ready. Essentially. It's gonna be junk in that. We're gonna put spray in a little. Looks pretty good. You'll be able to see it.
I don't think I'm really.
Oh man, it's just just that last little bit's kind of a motherfucker. Oh, yeah, there it goes. There it goes.
Drop it in. That's it. Head over to the main No. Yeah, the back has R72s and 78s. Primaries and secondaries. Be sure I don't.
Okay, hold on. All right, hold what you got. Come out here. Can you hold pressure on it right there? Right where my hand is?
This is not a rebuild per se, but we just want to make sure there's no pieces. This thing's in pretty good shape, so.
That works better than fucking tools. All right, hold on. What you got? All right. All right, now for the hard part. All right, so we get the gasket in. Now to get the lock strip in. I've got the lock strip tool up here. We'll start down at the bottom. Work our way around this thing and hopefully, in all honesty, once I get this started, put my thumb in there, it worked better than the damn tool. I wish I could not find a ball tip, so that made a huge difference. So we can find the lock strip. All right, so I guess I need to start hitting the go button a little sooner. Okay, so again, here we go. Get started without thinking about what I was doing. Now, I know there's 1,000 different ways to do this. I've seen so far is take this thing on its side and then can you get me, so I've got all this pushed in, it's all locked in place. Let's make sure it's all seated as well as I can, make sure it's all pushed down good. All right, I got a set of cutters right there, blue handles. All right, so this is kind of important, I'm hearing, is when you take this, you want to give about a 1/2 inch extra when you cut this off. 1/2 inch, I'm gonna go just a little more than that and cut that straight off. And in doing so, I'm hopeful I'll be able to push this into space. Kind of give me a little, yeah, there we go. So get that off the edge, give yourself an inch or so, push it down inside there. There we go. Not bad. All right. So there is a roll of paper towels over there, John. I think close to my chair. Oh, they might be. Yeah, there we go. One of these bad boys out. But